Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by gathering tools that match the clip type and vehicle. Use a 10 mm socket, flat screwdriver, and needle nose pliers for most clips. Park on level ground and let the engine cool for at least 30 minutes. Wear gloves and eye protection before you touch the radiator. Create at least 5 inches of clear workspace around the radiator for tool movement. If the clip holds coolant fittings, plan to drain 1 to 2 liters into a container. Identify the clip style before you apply force to avoid damage. For round push clips, pinch the clip head, rotate it 1/4 turn, then pull it straight out. For springy U-clips, compress both legs inward and slide the clip away from the radiator edge. If a clip resists, apply penetrating spray and wait 5 minutes before retrying. Use needle nose pliers for small clips and a flat screwdriver for larger tabs to protect plastic surfaces. Inspect every removed clip for cracks, warping, or broken teeth before reinstalling. Replace any cracked clips and reuse intact ones to ensure proper fit and sealing. When reinstalling, align the clip to the hole, press straight in, and confirm it sits flush against the radiator. After all clips are installed, apply a gentle tug to each to validate retention. Refill any drained coolant to the proper level, and run the engine while checking for leaks.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.